Today we start network security, which is a new module inside the introduction to offensive security, which is inside the introduction to cybersecurity path. And we have a computer network is a group of computers and devices connected with each other. Network security focuses on protecting the security of these devices and the links connecting them. In more precise terms, network security refers to the devices, technologies, and processes to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of a computer network and the data on it. Network security consists of different hardware and software solutions to achieve the set security goals. Hardware solutions refer to the devices you set up in your network to protect your network security. They are hardware, so you can literally hold them. A hardware appliance might look something like the image below. Here we can see all the computers are connected to one central hub. Examples of hardware appliances include firewall appliances, IDSs, intrusion detection systems, firewall appliance. The firewall allows and blocks connection based on a predefined set of rules. It restricts what can enter and what can leave a network. IDSs, intrusion detection system appliance. An IDS detects system and network intrusions and intrusion attempts. It tries to detect attackers' attempts to break into your network. Intrusion prevention system, IPS, appliance. An IPS blocks detected intrusions and intrusion attempts. It aims to prevent attackers from breaking into your network. VPNs, virtual private network concentrator appliance. A VPN ensures that the network traffic cannot be read nor altered by a third party. It protects the confidentiality, in other words, the secrecy and integrity of sent data. Here we can see the back of a router. You can see the LAN ports. You can see the MGN, 2 console ports, and just resets. On the other hand, we have software security solutions. Common examples are antivirus software. You install an antivirus on your computer or smartphone to detect malicious files and block them from executing. So if for instance, your router is not having special features for security, you can just, for instance, install an antivirus software. Host firewall, unlike the firewall appliance, a hardware device, a host firewall is a program that ships as part of your system, or it is a program that you install on your system. For instance, MS Windows includes Windows Defender Firewall, and Apple macOS includes an application firewall. Both are host firewalls. Yes, you're right. Windows Defender Firewall, everyone that has the Microsoft operating system has by default a Windows Defender Firewall. You can activate it or you can deactivate it. According to the cost of the data breach report in 2021 by IBM Security, a data breach in 2021 cost the company 4.24 million per incident on average, in comparison with 3.86 million in 2020. The average cost changes with the sector and the country. For example, the average cost for a data breach was 9.23 million for the healthcare sector. Boom! While 3.79 million for the education sector. Answer the questions below. What type of firewall is Windows Defender Firewall? It's a host firewall. It comes back with Microsoft OS.